Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to delete duplicates here in your Excel sheet. Right, as you can see, I have this example table in which I can show a product, a price, and its code, right, as if we were a supermarket. So what we are going to do basically is to first select this all. We're going to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and then duplicate values. As you can see, this is going to highlight all the duplicated values that we have in our Excel sheet, right? So we can detect them. Once here, I'm going to data right here. Once here, I'm going to data and remove duplicates. Now I have the option to delete the product, the price, or the code. In this case, I'm going to delete the code. So you can see that all the items with a duplicated code are going to be deleted. I can also do the same with the price or the product, and then all the products with the price that were duplicated are going to be deleted again. So well, this is the way in which you can delete all the duplicates in your Excel sheet. If you have any question or any suggestion, please leave it in the comments below. We hope this tutorial has helped you. If you want to see more videos like this one, we invite you to subscribe to our channel.